Hello and welcome to Gabbett Media. I'm Grant Abbott, and in this video I'll be asking the question, what different jobs are there in the 3D industry? And this is for those people thinking about following 3D art or design as a career. I'll be looking at what's available out there, what you might be asked to do, and a little bit about the skill requirements in order to do that. And at the end of the video I'll give some brief insights into how to get those jobs. If you like this video, it's part of my blog playlist. Links in the description along with other links to my courses, both free and paid for. So the quick answer is there are absolutely masses of jobs out there. So I'll give you a rundown of the list of jobs that I've done, well, a rough list of jobs that I've done in my 3D career. Architectural visualization, game models, posters, 3D printed models, training videos, animations, title sequences, film intros, short films, visual effects, animated building constructions, models for virtual reality, logos, mascots for companies, music videos, manufacturing, historical sort of archive 3D showcase models, and there's probably a few more that I'm missing. So those are the jobs that I've done. Beyond that, there's loads and loads more. Think about the fact that 3D printing is still in its infancy. There's going to be lots more within that sector, along with lots of manufacturing type jobs, so you've got a plethora of jobs out there. In terms of the game industry and film industry in particular, check out my video on making amazing 3D models for film and games, links in the description. But as a quick breakdown of just the jobs within that industry, we've got concept artists that sometimes use 3D for that, sculptors, 3D modelers, and retopology kind of comes within that, riggers, animators, lighting artists, and compositors, just to name a few. Some studios combine some of these roles together, so you might get asked to do more than one, and that's really often the case. I get asked to do several of these by smaller studios, often all of these, which is a bit crazy, and you're not really expected to have all that knowledge. But it does help you secure work if you know more than one, and you can, let's say, model and rig as well. So it's certainly a good idea to have knowledge of all of these and maybe specialise in a couple. So how do you get all of these lovely jobs? Well, that's another video in itself, but a quick spoiler of that video is get yourself out there. A portfolio is the most important thing. Do I need to go to college or university and have a degree? No, it's all about your experience and your portfolio. Portfolio being the most fundamental thing. Be good at what you do and show that off in your portfolio, and be easy to work with. That's my top pieces of advice there. What skills do I need? Well, again, that's another video, but in simplest terms, a good general understanding of 3D in general helps, but specialise in one area that interests you, and maybe a couple of specialisms is the best way to go. So that was a really quick overview, but hopefully it gives you some insights into the 3D design and art industry. Good luck in searching for the different types of jobs and the career you want to take. If you've got any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching, thanks for all your support, and I'll see you next time.